Hello guys! Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Today we will read The Quest for Incredible Adventure. Well, let's get started. Once upon a time, a group of friends decided to go on an adventure. They packed their bags and set off into the unknown, not knowing what exciting experiences awaited them. As they journeyed through the forest, they encountered all sorts of obstacles. They had to cross a raging river, scale a tall mountain, and avoid danger at every turn. But they never gave up, and their determination and teamwork helped them overcome every challenge. Along the way, they made new friends and encountered strange and wonderful creatures. They explored hidden caves and discovered ancient ruins, uncovering secrets and treasures that had been lost for centuries. They even met a wise old wizard who shared with them some of his knowledge and magic. As the days passed, the friends traveled through dense jungle and across scorching deserts. They braved storms and battled fierce monsters, but no matter what obstacles they faced, they always stuck together and helped each other out. One day, they came upon a beautiful, mystical land unlike any they had ever seen. The air was filled with the sweet scent of flowers, and the sun shone brightly down on the lush green fields. The friends were in awe of the beauty that surrounded them, and they knew that they had truly found a special place. As they explored this new land, they encountered all sorts of amazing creatures, from talking animals to fairies and dragons. They learned about the history and culture of this place, and they even helped the locals solve a great mystery that had been plaguing the land for years. As the sun began to set, the friends knew that it was time to return home. They had had the adventure of a lifetime, and they couldn't wait to share their stories with their loved ones. They said goodbye to their new friends and set off on the long journey home, already planning their next exciting adventure. After returning home from their amazing adventure, the friends couldn't wait to tell everyone about their exciting journey. They spent hours recounting all of the incredible experiences they had and showing off the treasures and souvenirs they had collected along the way. Their families and friends were in awe of their tales, and many of them asked if they could come along on the friends' next adventure. So the friends decided to plan another trip, this time to a faraway land that they had always dreamed of visiting. They spent weeks preparing for their journey, gathering supplies and making sure they were ready for whatever challenges they might face. And when the time came, they set off once again into the unknown, eager to see what new adventures and discoveries awaited them. As they traveled through the mountains and valleys, they encountered all sorts of new and exciting sights and sounds. They met new friends and battled fierce enemies, and they explored ancient temples and discovered hidden treasures. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, they reached their destination, a beautiful, magical kingdom that was unlike any place they had ever seen. The friends were in awe of the wonder that surrounded them, and they knew that they had truly found a special place. They spent many happy days exploring the kingdom and learning about its culture and history. They even had the chance to meet the king and queen, who were very kind and generous to them. And as the friends journeyed back home, they knew that they would always cherish the memories of their incredible adventures and the wonderful friends they had made along the way. They couldn't wait to see what other exciting experiences the future would bring. As the friends returned home from their latest adventure, they couldn't help but feel a sense of longing for the magical kingdom they had left behind. They missed the stunning landscapes, the friendly people, and the sense of wonder that had filled their days. But even though they were back home, the friends knew that they couldn't stay there for long. They had a thirst for adventure, and they knew that there was still so many more exciting experiences out there waiting for them. So, they decided to plan another trip, this time to a distant land that was said to be filled with mystery and danger. They spent months preparing for their journey, gathering supplies and training for the challenges that lay ahead. Finally, the day of their departure arrived and the friends set off once again into the unknown. They traveled through dense forests, across stormy seas, and over towering mountains, encountering all sorts of dangers and wonders along the way. As they journeyed deeper into the unknown, the friends began to feel a sense of unease. They had heard rumors of a dark and powerful force that lurked in this land, and they knew that they would have to be careful. But despite their fears, the friends continued on, driven by their desire to explore and discover. And as they traveled deeper into the heart of the mysterious land, they found themselves face to face with the sours and the rumors, a fierce dragon that guarded an ancient and powerful treasure. The friends knew that they would have to work together if they were to overcome this challenge, and they fought bravely, using all of the skills and knowledge they had gained on their previous adventures. In the end, they emerged victorious, and they were rewarded with the treasure they had been seeking. As they journeyed back home, the friends knew that they had truly accomplished something special, and they were eager to share their story with all of their loved ones. They knew that they would always remember their incredible adventure, and they couldn't wait to see what other exciting experiences the future would bring. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.